And honestly, that was me focusing on something we didn't have and what I thought we should have. Welcome to my thinking corner. First things first, when we were first starting a business, a lot of times I was focused on like, I can't wait to have an awesome office. I can't wait to have this really cool space. And honestly, that was me focusing on something we didn't have and what I thought we should have. But now that we all work remote, we get to work from awesome coffee shops like this, I'm so grateful and thankful for this kind of like situation that we're in. And then we have this place, which is so cool to work from. I think that's like definitely one of the things that has changed my perspective on focusing what I do have versus what I don't.
One random thought, you guys. Does Josh look like Mr. Rogers right now? Sitting in the chair with his little cardigan and stuff on? Let us know if he does. Give it a thumbs up. And if you don't know who Mr. Rogers is,
look it up.
Look it up.
All packed up?
Yeah. My hard drive, since the cloud is the worst.
My cloud does suck.
It's trash. That's what it is. As we're talking about focusing on the good, not the bad, a lot of times, and I'm speaking mostly from a female perspective, we can focus on these things that we don't have, or maybe parts about ourselves physically or even mentally that we don't like, and focusing on those things can really deter for all the great things and all the great qualities that we have. And that's something that I work on a daily basis. Josh knows this, because I always will point out flaws or quirks about myself that I wish I could change, but in reality I'm really blessed to have these quirks, as I like to call them, or quirks. Is that what you say? Quirks? Because that's what makes me me. And focusing on the negative is just gonna draw out those negatives more, when in probably reality nobody sees those things but you. What's so funny?
Just what you said, that's so not true. You almost made me spit it out my mouth.
What you working on, Scoops?
Some client stuff.
Yeah.
Essentially bug hunting. And so just a list of bugs to solve. So I'm writing down little, as I come across like weird little things that I need to remember, I just add check boxes. Because normally I'm solving one thing, but it's impacting something else, so I need to remember to circle around back to it.
So Josh is bug hunting. I just finished exporting out 6 videos and about 25 graphics. I guess they wanted these in SVG format, so I had to like go, convert all the fonts to outlines, yada yada. Exported all of them out, and now they're like not gonna use them. Is what it is, but it's kind of just like part of the game, I guess. But I got my videos exported, so I felt good. I just uploaded the latest vlog for you guys. And yeah, if there's anything else you guys want us to cover throughout our day or different topics, let us know. As you both know, Josh and I are kind of Jill and Jack of all trades. So we do a lot of stuff, especially me. I do a lot of different stuff, from dev to video to design to marketing, content, everything. So if you guys want to know anything or us to touch on any topics, let us know in the comments below. But we're gonna go downstairs. Today is the day that Josh and we do a 24-hour fast, 1 day a week, and that is today. We usually do it on Tuesdays. Then Josh is going to be peeling some eggs. I think he's gonna be making deviled eggs for us later when our fast is complete. Look at all those eggs, you guys. He's peeling them.
This one does not want to be peeled.
problems. Alright, you guys, we just got done making deviled eggs. These are Josh's.
I love some deviled eggs. Here's the good things about them. They taste great, full of protein, and eggs are super cheap.
Yes. Startup life, you guys. Woo! Technically, this is the next day. We forgot to end the vlog.
But we're ending it now.
So we're ending it now. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. And of course, subscribe to our channel.
We will see you in today's vlog.
Yeah.